Are you tired of ordinary trading strategies? Or maybe you're looking to experience consistent profits in a faster way? Hello traders, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the best settings for a scalping strategy that you can use on various assets. We will reveal the secrets of a Tradingview indicator that can change the way you scalp the market. Not only is this strategy great for forex trading, but it also works well for trading gold or XAU USD, crypto, stocks, and many other assets. We'll also show you how to use this scalping strategy on a 15-minute forex scalping session. So, make sure to watch the video until the end, and don't forget to support this channel with a like and subscribe. To use this scalping strategy, the first step is to go to Tradingview. We'll demonstrate how to use this scalping strategy on the Australian dollar versus US dollar pair with a 15-minute time frame. Now, set the pair to Australian dollar versus US dollar. Then, set the time frame to 15 minutes. Next, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the search bar, type redK momentum bars. Then, select the redK momentum bars indicator from redK Trader. This indicator will be used as a signal filter in the market. As you can see, there are three types of bars displayed by this indicator. Green bars represent a bullish confirmation. Red bars represent a bearish confirmation. When the redK momentum bars show white bars, it means there is no dominant momentum in the market. In this situation, you should avoid placing any entries in the market. Now, let's add the second indicator to guide the trend and entry points in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type NSDT Hama Candles. Then, select the NSDT Hama Candles indicator from Northstar Day Trading. Next, configure the NSDT Hama Candles indicator settings. In the Input tab, change the length open to 50. Then, change the length close to 45. After that, set the MA line length to 100. Now, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the box next to Tables. Once done, click OK to save the changes. We will use the NSDT Hama Candles indicator as a trend guide and to help us place entries in the market. If the price candlestick crosses or closes above the MA line, it signals a bullish trend. On the other hand, if the price candlestick crosses or closes below the MA line, it indicates a bearish trend. You should also observe the color of the candlesticks to place entries. As you can see, yellow candlesticks represent a market transition. If there's a transition from a red candlestick to a yellow candlestick, it's a buy signal. If there's a transition from a green candlestick to a yellow candlestick, it's a sell signal. However, before placing a buy or sell entry, you must confirm whether it's a valid buy or sell signal. To better understand, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this scalping strategy. How to place a sell entry. If there is a transition from a green candlestick to a yellow candlestick, it's a sell signal. However, before you place a sell entry, you must confirm the signal. Ensure that the yellow candlestick closes or is below the MA line. Next, confirm that the redK momentum bars indicate a bearish confirmation. Once all conditions are confirmed, this is a valid sell signal, and you can place a sell entry after the candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the most recent swing high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy entry. If there is a transition from a red candlestick to a yellow candlestick, it's a buy signal. However, before you place a buy entry, you must confirm the signal. Ensure that the yellow candlestick closes or is above the MA line. Next, confirm that the redK momentum bars indicate a bullish confirmation. Once all conditions are confirmed, this is a valid buy signal, and you can place a buy entry after the candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the most recent swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain good money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.